naglalaro kayo, napapansin namin sobrang dami yung buff.
And sa legit buff ko, tattoo zero, si Stormy!
Eh.
To Kuya King Kong, we appreciate that. And ayun, super thank you. Kasi alam niyo yung respeto kasi, aside from na-earn siya, binibigay siya binibigay siya sa mga taong deserving. And hindi ko naman sinasabing deserving lahat ng LGBTQIA+ community. But kasi napapansin ko dito sa Pilipinas, grabe yung bigotry. And ang lala, and it's not something to be proud of, it's not something na dapat i-tolerate. And ayun, alam nyo, yun yung tama yung sinabi ni Mama Aura na sana tularan lahat ng tao si Kuya King Kong na irespeto as long as wala namang ginagawa sa'yo, as long as kami ay nagiging kami lang, wala kaming tinatapakang tao. And kung may mga nasasabi kayo sa amin just because of our gender identity, it says a lot about you. Thank you.